We are learning to find fractions of a set using our multiplication knowledge. Here is my question. Half of 20. I want to find out half of 20. So here I have 20 stars. Now finding half of 20 is the same as saying what's 20 divided into two equal sets, because this part of the fraction here tells me how many sets I need to divide into. Now I can use my division knowledge to help me work out 20 divided by 2. I might know that 20 divided by 2 equals 10. I could also change it into a multiplication problem because division is the opposite operation of multiplication. So I know that 2 groups of 10 equals 20. Therefore, 1/2 of 20 must equal 10. Okay, now I want to find out what is 1/5 of 20. So finding out what 1/5 of 20 is the same as saying what is 20 divided into 5 equal sets. Now you might know what 20 divided by 5 is because you've been working on your multiplication and division facts. You might know that 20 divided by 5 equals 4. If you're not sure, what you could do is change it into a multiplication problem. 20 divided by 5 is the same as saying 5 times what will give you 20. And knowing your multiplication facts, you'd know that 5 times 4 equals 20. So if we're finding 1/5 of 20, it's going to be finding 5 equal groups. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups, and in each group there are 4. Okay, let's have a look at this problem. Now we're finding 1/10 of 20. 1/10 of 20 is the same as saying what is 20 divided by 10, because the denominator in the fraction tells me what we're dividing by. Now you might know that 20 divided by 10 equals 2 because you know your division facts, or if you didn't, you could change it into a multiplication problem. 20 divided by 10 is the same as saying 10 times what will equal 20, and we know that 10 times 2 equals 20. So if we have a look at our sets here, we will have 10 equal sets, and in each set there will be 2 stars. So 1/10 of 20 equals 2, and you've used your multiplication and division facts to help you to work out a fraction of a number.